Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss linear equations in one variable, that is chapter 2. Here is an introduction. In the earlier classes, you have come across several algebraic expressions and equations. Some examples of expressions we have so far worked with are 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2xy plus 5, xyz plus x plus y plus z, x square plus 1, y plus y square. Some examples of equations are 5x is equal to 25, 2x minus 3 is equal to 3, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. You would remember that equations use the equality sign. It is missing in expressions. Of these given expressions, many have more than one variable. For example, 2xy plus 5 has two variables. We however restrict to expressions with only one variable when we form equations. Moreover, the expressions we use to form equations are linear. This means that the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. These are linear expressions: 2x, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7, 12 minus 5z, 5 by 4, x minus 4 plus 10. These are not linear expressions: x square plus 1, y plus y square, 1 plus z square plus z cube, since highest power of variable is greater than 1. Here we will deal with equations with linear expressions in one variable only. Such equations are known as linear equations in one variable. The simple equations which you studied in earlier classes were all of this type. Let us briefly revise what we know. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. It has an equality sign. The expression on the left on the equality sign is the left hand side. The expression on the right of the equality sign is the right hand side. Here you see 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is the x is the variable. This is the equality sign, and this is an equation. In an equation, the values of expressions on the left hand side and right hand side are equal. This happens to be true only for certain values of the variable. These values are the solutions of the equations. X equal to 5 is the solution of the equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 for x equal to 5. Left hand side 2 into 5 minus 3, that is 7, equal to right hand side. On the other hand, x equal to 10 is not a solution of the equation. For x equal to 10, left hand side is 17, that is not equal to right hand side. How to find the solution of equation? We assume that the two sides of the equation are balanced. We perform the same mathematical operation on both sides of the equation so that the balance is not disturbed. A few steps give the solution. Solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Let us recall the technique of solving equations with some examples. Observe the solutions. They can be any rational number. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Solution: add 3 to both sides. 2x minus 3 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. The balance is not disturbed. Or 2x equal to 7. 2x equal to 10. Let's divide both sides by 2. That is 2x by 2. That is x equal to 5. Solve 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Transposing 9 to right hand side. 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. 2y is equal to minus 5. Or y equal to minus 5 by 2. To check the answer, left hand side 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 9 minus 5 plus 9 equal to 4 to right hand side. Do you notice that the solution minus 5 by 2 is a rational number? In class 7, the equation we solved did not have such solutions. Example 3, x by 3 plus 5 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Transposing 5 by 2 to the right hand side, we get x by 3 equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, that is minus 8 by 2. Or x by 3 is equal to minus 4. Or x equal to minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 12. Check. Left hand side 12 minus 12 by 3 plus 5 by 2, that is minus 4 plus 5 by 2 minus 8 plus 5 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2, which is right hand side. Do you now see the coefficient of a variable in equation need not be an integer? Solve 15 by x minus 7x is equal to 9. Or 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Minus 7x is equal to 9 minus 15 by 4, or minus 7x is equal to 21 by 4. Or x is equal to 21 by 4 into minus 7, that is 27 by 4 into 7, that is x equal to minus 3 by 4. Check left hand side, that is 15 by 4 minus 7 minus 3 by 4 is 15 by 4 plus 21 by 4, 36 by 4, that is 9, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, you have to solve the various linear equations. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.